Hello everybody, Felicia Yvette here, Executive Lead Director with LimeLife by Alcone. I'm going to hop into this right away. I'm not going to wait for anybody to join so that I'm mindful for the replay viewers. So a couple of years ago, Felicia, myself, I hopped on when I was feeling really fiery, and I said some things, and that video ended up getting spread all over the place, and it resonated with a lot of people. Hey Nicole, hey Sarah. And in that video, I mentioned that makeup artists were leaving coins on the table and that I didn't understand why they would do such a thing. And so I'm going to do something like that again today because it's on my heart and it's been a while and the lighting is better today. So let's just do the thing. Feel free to share this video if you saw the last one and you know where this is going. So this one is going to be a little bit different. I came on here in my workout clothes. I was going to put real clothes on and do my hair for y'all, but that didn't happen. At least I put on a little bit of a face. Thanks, Sarah. So what sparked this for me today was everybody spreading that Missy Elliott's makeup artist used a LimeLife by Alcone product on Missy for the 2019 MTV VMA Awards. And I thought to myself, these makeup artists are tripping. You know, like here's a non-LimeLife makeup artist sharing in a Refinery 29 article that she uses a LimeLife by Alcone product. And then you have the lead makeup head, whatever her title was, the head makeup artist for the 2019 MTV VMA Awards is a LimeLife by Alcone beauty guide, you guys. Her name is Angelique Velez. She's a beauty guide. And she just did a whole lot of, all those dancers that you just saw on the MTV VMA Awards, she has something to do with all of that. So when I hear you makeup artists, and I'm not just talking to makeup artists, so stand by. When I hear makeup artists say things like, oh, I've got to think about it. Oh, I'm really not sure. Why? Why? What is there to not be sure about? Let me make sure that you guys really understand something here. I'm going to make sure that you guys understand something here. Nothing is required of you. You are not tricked into anything. There is no certain amount of anything that you are required. My watch is dead, y'all. I don't even know why this is on. That you are required to sell every day, right? Or every month. There's no requirements. It's $9.95 a month. You can do whatever you want to do with your business. You don't have to only use LimeLife by Alcone. You can talk about and use whatever you damn well please. And so when I see makeup artists, especially makeup artists, coming on to social media and promoting all of these other brands, I'm just like, that's cool, but what if there was one product in the LimeLife by Alcone line that you loved, one product that you loved, and you invested in this line? Let me show you something. This is one of our perfect lip glosses. This lip gloss costs $18. The very first beauty guide of all time is making fantastic money, and she built her business off of one product. This one little product. And this is where I'm going to speak to everybody. We have a big catalog, you guys. Let me just show one to you. We have a big catalog full of things, right? We have the skincare, right? We've got the skincare here, lots of skincare, whole lot of skincare. And then we've got makeup further back, right? Back here, back. Hold on. Look, perfect glow. Used to be Liquid Sunshine. But then we've got the makeup back here. You mean to tell me there is not one thing in this catalog that you could find that you love? Like every single human being outside in this house could find one product that they love in this catalog and sell the hell out of it, like y'all were selling the hell out of that Popeye's chicken sandwich that you don't get a cut of, or that you were selling that Fenty that you didn't get a cut of, or you're talking about Gucci, MAC, YSL Armani, Bobbi Brown. Like, what are y'all doing? I'm fussing. I'm fussing because I don't understand why you're leaving coins on the table. It is 2019. One stream of income is not going to get it, friends. There is one thing. There is one thing in this catalog. I don't care if you don't wear makeup. I just showed you hella pages in this catalog that are skincare, right? Skincare, 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 skincare. There's a lot of skincare in here, so that I'm not a makeup artist. I don't wear makeup. We have something for you too. We have something for you too. I just think it's silly. I think it's silly to sit there and refuse an opportunity that can help you, that can help your family. I see so many posts on Facebook and I'm looking through the comments and people are like, oh, must be nice. Oh, I can't afford that. Oh, I did that last week. I can't do it this week. I bet there's one product in here that you will like a lot. And I bet if you like that one product a lot, like you like that chicken sandwich from Popeyes so much, that's killing you, you can find something safe in here, like a cleanser or a due date oil or a freaking $18 lip gloss or an enduring lip color or something. You can find something in here that you love and sell the hell out of it and make some money for yourself instead of somebody else. I'm pausing for effect. But there's something in this catalog that you can sell. If you don't wear foundation, we got a whole lot of eyeshadows and you can customize the palettes. You know, there's everything in here, you guys. There's everything in here. And it's growing. It's growing. We have a launch next month. We have holiday after that. It is prime time. I'm not speaking to any specific person, so whomever wants to share this, please do. All I'm saying is that you are leaving coins on the table. I don't care who you are, especially you makeup artists who are afraid of looking a certain kind of way. Because I don't care if you only sell a lip gloss to a bride or you only use our foundation, which, hello, Beyonce's makeup artist uses our foundation. How is it not good enough for you and your clients? I will never understand. And let's just take a look back at my bookshelf, shall we? This beautiful man right here, Kevin Alcone, was an incredible makeup artist. I don't know how many of you have his books, but let's just see who's on the very front page. Do you recognize her? Because to me, she looks like Janet Jackson. And Kevin Alcone, rest his soul, used to use our concealer as foundation on. So you tell me why you're leaving coins on the table. Is it because it's a direct sales company? Because to me, I don't really give a damn if it's a direct sales company. Do you know what this has done for me? And I'm going to do my best not to shed a tear right now. But this is helping me preserve my fertility so I can hopefully be a mother someday. Where else do you think $14,000 was going to come from? How was I able to treat myself holistically? How was I able to do that? That's like $500 to $1,000 a month, you guys, that I'm making because I found a product in this catalog that I love, and I talk about it not because I'm trying to make a dollar, but because I love the product. So you mean to tell me, and Allison, I am talking to you because you love Dream Clean, you love Cool Balm, you love all the other stuff you tried. So why are you not doing this? It doesn't make sense to me. It's $169 for an investment, and you get a kit, a big ass beautiful kit that the box is up there, but almost $400 worth of stuff in your kit, stuff that you already love, stuff that's in his catalog. What are you losing? What have you lost? You've lost nothing. You've gained everything. You've gained everything. Yes, a big ass beautiful kit. It's beautiful. It comes all packaged with a bow. I wish I could get another kit. I wish I could pay $169 and get another $400. I still have my gym glove. Oh, hey girl. I wish I could do that. But you guys who are not here have an opportunity to get in here and share what you love. Guess what? I'm going to tell you something. When I joined this company, I didn't even know it was a network marketing company. I didn't have a clue. All I knew was that I knew the foundation and I knew the concealer because they are brands that pro artists have known and loved for decades. That is all I knew. That is all I knew. Then I got in here and I was like, team what? Right? So even if, and don't get it twisted, because the teams are where the money is big time. Like personal sales, great. But when you are a part of a team, that collective team effort, that energy, when you guys are working together, sharing what you love from this catalog, again, I'm going to reinforce every single human being, every single person, I would bet on it. Every single person in the freaking world could find something in this catalog that they love. As soon as you find something that you love, don't you want to go freaking spread it all over the place? Because I do. I do it with TV shows. I do it with lip colors. I do it with everything. I do it with luggage. I'm looking at my luggage. Yoga mats. I've talked about my yoga mat that I love. So what's the difference? The difference is because it's a direct sales network marketing company. Who gives? I was about to curse. Who cares? Who cares? Go make your paycheck and quit worrying about what other people think about how you take care of yourself and your family. Go find one thing in this catalog that you love. One thing I recommend you start with Due Date if you've never tried that before, or try the sunscreen, or try Dream Clean cleanser, skin polish. Try that. Try an enduring lip color that's not going to go anywhere for 16 hours as long as you're not eating that greasy ass Popeye's chicken sandwich. Try that. Try an enduring lip color. Try a Ricky mirror. Like, there's so much. Try these wipes right here. Try those. There's so much good stuff in this catalog. There is something in here that you would love. Go sell it to your friends and tell your friends to sell it to their friends. Because why not share some incredible freaking products that are safe? The skincare is safe. It's non-toxic. No chemicals, you guys. Paraben free. Phthalate free. I'm going to step off my soapbox because I feel like I've said everything that I came to say. I don't care who you are, but especially makeup artists. Y'all are tripping in a big, big way. Because it doesn't make sense to me why you don't want to sell a lip color to a client or a foundation or a concealer or a brush. Just send them to Sephora. Hand your money. Just hand it all over. Just get paid for that service and don't get paid for the makeup that they could be learning to use at home. Does that make sense? Because to me that doesn't make any sense. You guys come on here and do tutorials with other people's products that you can't make money on. Like, by all means, integrate those things, but I bet you there's something in this catalog I mean, I'm wearing LimeLife today. I think I look pretty damn good. But there's something in this catalog that you can sell to your clients. And again, if you're not a makeup artist, guess what? People are probably going to believe you even more than they would believe me, because they probably think that Felicia's a makeup artist. She can make anything work. No, Felicia uses good product. This product that works, that's been proven to work for decades. I'm done fussing at you guys. Did I make my point clear? I hope that I made my point clear. Everybody in the beauty industry, if you're not with this company, LimeLife by Alcone, you are tripping. I just said it. You have me on the record, because it doesn't make sense why you're not here. It doesn't make sense. I am going to sign off. I hope you guys have a beautiful night. I'm going to hobble my baby giraffe walking self back up the stairs. And I hope that I gave you something to think about, because you're leaving money on the table in a big, big way. There are less than 30,000 beauty guides globally right now. Can you imagine being one of the first to kill it in a company? Imagine, this is a baby company, you guys. Imagine those big ones that I will not name being one of the first. That's it. You know where I'm going with that. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.